Hi there guys, so this is Shelly from Shelly's Little World, and for today's video, I'll be reviewing this 99 Korea Eyelash Perm. This is the second time that I'll be using it, and also this is the perfect time as well that I was able to make it. So I would like to share it with you guys on how to do it all by yourself. And kung pagod ka nang mag-curler ng iyong eyelashes, isa na to sa sagot para magkaroon ng magandang lashes. So this is the look of my eyelashes before perming. So I'm cleaning my eyelids using this cotton and micellar water to make sure that there's no oil and dirt on my face. So using this perming glue, I'll go ahead and put a small amount on my eyelids and then at least dry it out for about 30 seconds. And then put in the sticky rod and affix my eyelashes, making sure that everything is lifted properly. And by using the perming brush, I'm just making sure that all of the eyelashes were properly lifted and also sticking into the sticky rod. After 2 minutes drying out the perming glue on my eyelashes, now I'm putting in the perming lotion on my eyelashes. I'm just putting a small amount and making sure that everything is put in evenly on my eyelashes, and then we'll leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and proceed with the next step. Now we're on the next step, putting in the fixative that will make your perm lasting, and we'll also go ahead and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes, just making sure that everything is put in evenly and also still lifted. Now using the cleanser, it's cleaning time. We're now removing all the chemicals on my face, and also we are lifting gently this sticky rod on both eyelids to make sure that there's no eyelashes that would fall off as we remove the sticky rods on our eyelids. Now we're heading with the last step. Now we're putting in this nutrition oil to make sure that our eyelashes are still healthy after we've gone through all the steps, putting in some chemicals. So there, finally. So there you go guys. After 2 days, ayan, lifted na lifted pa rin yung aking eyelashes. And I'm thankful na medyo maganda yung effect niya sa akin. Wala namang allergies na nangyari. So I hope you like this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.